Hello Madeleine, so for today's video we are going to discuss, so lesson 4 na tayo, and that is all about the basic operations of rational algebraic expressions. So sa grade 7 ay hindi ko po talaga i-discuss yung basic operations ng fractions. Ito ang pinaka po natin ng discussion together with the algebra. Okay, so let us start. So we have the following simplification you may apply by solving rational algebraic expressions. So number 1 is the least common multiple. So the smallest number divisible by each of two or more numbers without a remainder. So example is LCM of 6 and 15 is 30. Excuse me. So, what is LCD? So, the smallest positive common multiple of the denominators of at least two fractions of rational expressions. So, we have some example. The 30 is the LCD of 2/3, 4/5, and 1/6. So, here. Ngayon, natin yung 369 hanggang 36, 55, 66. Hanapin nyo dyan ngayon yung yung may kapareha. So, next. GCF, so you are going to find their factors and syempre hanapin nyo kung ano ang may pinagkapareho nila. So next, lowest term. So syempre kung alam nyo ng GCF, sanay na kayo mag lowest term. Ngayon, paano po natin ito nakuha? So 2,000 over 4,000, paano po naging 1/2? So what is the greatest common factor? 2,000. So 2,000. So, divide natin both sides of fraction into 2k. Ang pangit ng sulat ko. So, 2,000 divided by 2,000 is 1. And 4,000 divided by 2. 2,000. 4,000 divided by 2,000 is equal to 2. Cancellation, syempre, yan yung nagpapadali sa ating multiplication. Ganyan lang. Okay? Reciprocal, the two numbers or a factor that will result a product of 1 like this. So you are going to choose a number, a multiplier that that factor can be simplified, that will equal to 1. So, enumerate muna natin ano bang pinagkaiba ng rational at irrational numbers. Rational numbers, the quotient of two integers. This can alternatively be expressed as the ratio of the whole number. Example, this. Ayan. Kung mapapansin nyo, ayan, no? Kahit sabihin natin improper siya, that's still rational. Next, irrational. So, the number can be expressed exactly as the ratio or quotient of two integers. So, hindi nyo naman the negative, positive, square root of positive 2 is not, kapag sisimplify nyo a fraction, decimal na. Kapag naman ganito, yung cube root of 9, so they cannot be simplified. At ito rin, the radical sign is supposed to be in the numerator, not in the denominator. Ito rin, hindi rin siya rational. It's supposed, pwede pa yung yung ganito. Yung simplified, mga 4x squared. So, kapag sinimplify nyo, 2x, di ba? Oh, ito ay non-real root. So, wala pong tayong ini-square root na negative number. Okay, ito, inulit lang. Kahit ibalik na rin nyo yan itong dalawang to, hindi pa rin pwede. Kasi hindi mo sila simplified. Pwede pa yung mga ganito, 2 square root of 3, or pwede yung negative 5 square root of 6. Ganun. Yun pwede pa. Pero yung mga ganito, hindi pwede. Isa kung paano hindi kayo pwede magkatuluyan ng crush mo. Charot. Now, we have addition and subtraction of rational algebraic expressions. So, similar fractions, just add the numerator and copy the denominator. Simplify if possible. This is the formula. So, just add or subtract the numerator, then copy the denominator. So, as you can see, parehas pa rin sila ng denominator. So we have some examples. So for example 1, so ang ginawa lang dito ay copy the denominator. So first copy, what is the denominator? 73. So now you are going to add 12 and 15 and you got 27. So your answer is 27 over 73. Second one, so subtract natin to. 23 minus 17 is 6. Then copy the denominator. Next one, so para sila ng kahit sabihin natin variable yan, pwede pa. So 7 plus 8, 15. Then 7 minus 6, 1. So ano ang denominator nyo? Yung same, yung y. Next one, ganito. Paano po pag ganito? So, since parehas naman ng denominator, no problem. So, paano to? Ngayon, makikita nyo baka maguluhan kayo sa ginawa ko. Ginawa ko lang, in-add natin yung may same terms and variables. By same terms. So, parehas sila ng x lang. So, x plus x or 1x plus 1x is 2x. 3 plus 1 is 4. So, we have 2x plus 4 over all over x minus 4. Paano naman kapag dito? So, nakikita nyo parehas ng denominator. Tama naman, parehas ng denominator. And, subtraction siya. So, 2x minus x or 1x is x. 3 minus 1. So, parehas naman sila ng positive. So, 2. Ngayon, yung lalabas is x plus 2 all over x squared minus x minus 6. Kung gano'n na lalabas. Ngayon, paano siya ilo-lowest term? So, ganito. Nakita nyo to. Pinactor out natin siya. Then, cancel. Cancel tong dalawa. Ano lumabas? We have 1 over x minus 3. Ganun po ang tamang simplification. Kaya po tayo gumagamit ng lowest term. And make sure na alam niyo din ang factoring polynomials, factoring polynomials. Included na doon yung binomial, trinomial, and general polynomial. Where a is not equal to 1 or a is greater than 1. So, ngayon, dissimilar fractions na tayo. Paano naman? Find the LCD. Apply the formula here. So, natin? So, LCD divided by denominator, then times numerator. Okay? Then subtract. Simplify if possible. Ito ang formula. So, pag ganito at iba ang denominator, find the LCD. Ngayon, ito yung napansin nyo. Divide, cancel lang tong B times A, AD. BD divided by D, cancel out yun lang yung D, matitira? Yung B, combine sa C, BC. Ganon lang, kaya po nabuo yung ganong formula. Next one, so ayan. Ang LCD nito ay 4. So, 2, 4, and 4. So, yun, nag-intersect 4. So, 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 1, 2. So, 4, 1 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3 fourths. Then, the next one, so 63 divided by 9, 7 times 8, 56. 9 times 5, 45. Subtract nyo, 11 over 63. Then, the next one is 4. So, 4, siyempre, combine nyo lang to. X, 4 ang matitira. Times 8, times 2, 8. 4x divided by 4, x times 5y, 5xy. Ngayon, inad yun na. So, nabubulol ako. Sorry. Next one. Ngayon, yung x minus 2 and x minus 3, kapag ganyan yung case, ang hanapin yung LCD. Ngayon, ito is either ang considerate yung LCD for the simplification or pwede rin ito. Okay? Alin man dyan. Ngayon, using the, ito yung ginamit natin for simplification. So, x minus 2 times x minus 3 divided by x minus 2, matitira? Yung x minus 3 times 4x. So, use the distributive property. Pero, Pero bago natin i-explain muna natin. Ito naman, ang matitira dito yung x minus 2 times 3x. So, ayan. Ayan yung fact. Ngayon, you are going to solve that using the distributive property. So, 4x times x is 4x squared. And 4x times negative 3 is negative 12x. Here, so 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times negative 2 is, so kaya negative 6x. Ngayon, kaya mapapansin nyo dito ba't iba? Kasi subtraction tayo. So, change the sign. So, instead of, kasi kanina to, di ba, positive. So, hindi negative. Due to the operation of the given problem, such as subtraction. Add its opposite, if you still remember. Okay? So, ngayon, ito na yung result nyo. Ngayon, simplify po. 4x squared minus 3x squared is x squared. Minus 6, so, negative 12x plus 6x, negative 6x. Since higher to negative. Ngayon, sa kanya na-simplify yung denominator nito. Ito yung sagot nyo. And wala naman kung i-factor out nyo yan, kahit i-factor out nyo yan, yung, kahit ano mo, di ba yung x minus 6, kung i-factor out nyo siya ha, x times x minus 6. Wala naman kayo masisimplify dyan. Kaya ito na yung final answer ninyo. Kaya sabihin natin factorable ang isang number or yung isang algebraic expression kung wala namang kapareho, bakit nyo kailangang pilitin? Okay? So, kapag ganyan at wala naman kayo makakancel out, consider nyo yan that this is the final answer. Next, multiplication tayo. So, multiply both, ito madali lang to. Both numerators, multiply both numerators and denominator. Number 2, simplify if possible. Technique, you may use cancellation to make your computation easy. Formula here. Ngayon, instead of mangyayari, use AC times CB all over C times B. Instead na ganon, cancel out nyo na yung may parehas. This is the first given. So as you can see, so 8 over 10 times 3 over 16. Ngayon, nakikita nyo dito, kinancel out natin siya. So, para kayo naglo-lowest term dito. So, syempre, may common factors sila such as 8. So, 8 divided by 8 is 1. And 16 divided by 8 is... Ayan, nakita ko lang sa inyo. Ito na yung natira. So, 1 times 3 is 3. 10 times 2 is 20. The second one, as you can see here, so ganito, may common factors sila such as x squared. So, kapag dinivide nyo yung x squared, diba? Ayun sinusubtract nyo yung variable. So, x squared. Then, ito, nag-1 na lang. Ito na ito yun. Ito yun. Ito yun. Then, the another one is 3 over 1. Ito yun. Baka mandito kasi kayo Ngayon, combine nyo lang to. Di ba meron niyang siyempre, sinimplify na natin. Kaya, simply indicate that this is 3x squared is the correct or the final answer. Another one. Here. Ngayon, in this case, so, ito madali na lang to Ay, sorry. There has errors regarding to this. So, this is supposed to be x squared. Okay, x squared yan, ha? Ayan, ito po yung inyong, Ngayon, 6 times 8x is 48x squared. Ngayon, ito ay sinimplify nyo. Use FOIL method. So, 7 times x is 7x squared. Negative 2 times negative 1 is 2, positive 2. Negative 2x plus negative 7x is 9, negative 9x. Okay. I hope that we are clear. So, nagkakaintindihan tayo. Ito naman, since ayan, useful method. Wala naman kayo makikita yung kakancel dyan, kaya wala kayong maano dyan. Kaya ito na yung tamang sagot. Next one. Division naman tayo. Reciprocate the divisor, then multiply both numerator and denominators. Ito. Ano pong i-reciprocate again? Denominator. Divisor. In the parts of division, this is the dividend and this is the divisor. Ano po ang tawag sa sagot? Quotient. Okay. Baka nakalimutan na. Okay, examples. So ngayon ganito. Ngayon binaliktad natin yung denominator. Yung divisor rather. We reciprocate the divisor. So 7. So kinumbine lang natin. 1 times 7, 7. And x times y is xy. Then combine yung 7 saka yung xy. Then 9 times 8 is 72. Ito naman, since yung kanilang coefficient, yung numerical coefficient is factorable. Pwede siya i-simplify as lowest term. So 1, so 10 times y. Ito na yung natira. 10 times y. And we have 2x times 9. So, ito na yung result nyo. So, pag kayo malito, bakit pa may divided by 2? So, lowest term po natin. Since this is simply, hindi pa siya lowest term. Hindi pa siya simplified. So, ito na yung result. Next one. Here. Ngayon, babaliktarin nyo yung x plus 2. Ayan. Yung siyempre, wala naman kayong dapat So, ngayon, kasi nung binaliktad nyo, yung 9, nandito punta dito yung 9. So, gawin natin tong times. Then, ito ay x plus 2. Kaya naging ganito. Baka malito kayo Then, solve it using the distributive property. So, 8 times x is 8x. 8 times 2 is 16. 9 times x is 9x and 9 times 1 is 9. Then, ito naman, how about this given? So, simply reciprocate the denominator and multiply. Simplify first. So, we use the cancellation due to we want our computation is C. So, ngayon, cancel nyo itong may parehong x minus 4, then yung x plus 3. Ano na lang natira? Yung 4 and then saka nyo siya combine. Useful method para, So, ito na yun. Now, this is your activity. So, yan, pwede siya sagutan sa papel nyo para practice. Then, comment na lang kayo kung may request kayo ng answer key nito. So, yun. I hope you learned something today. Math is fun. So, wag natin stressin ang sarili natin sa math. So, madali lang yan kung ito ay ating pagtutuunan. Sa crush mo, nagawa mo magpakairo kahit mukha ka walang pag-asa. Sana apply mo din dito. So, yun lang. Bye-bye!